Look up at the night sky. Thousands of stars, each a distant sun, perhaps with planets of its own. Do you ever wonder, why are we here on this small planet spinning through the vastness of space? What is the point of it all, this life, this universe, this existence? The question echoes through millennia. It is a question that has haunted philosophers, captivated theologians, and driven scientific exploration. These questions have puzzled humanity for centuries, and while there may not be straightforward answers, exploring different perspectives can help us better understand our beliefs and the world around us to form new beliefs derived from the evidence. Welcome to our channel. From the previous videos, we get to know that Christianity is the true way of life by examining the arguments for and against various sciences, philosophies, and religions. If there is truth and is objective. If there is a God. If there is only one God. And if there is one God and three persons, then Christianity is the truth. Which corresponds that the answer of the meaning of life given by Christianity is going to be the true one. Finally, the question arises, what is the meaning of life? According to Christianity, God created mankind in his image, Genesis 1:26. We were made by God and nothing else gives us greater value than that. We were made with a purpose in life. And anything besides that purpose can never give us greater satisfaction. God made man a social creature, Genesis 2:18-25. God gave man work, Genesis 2:15. God had fellowship with man, Genesis 3:8. God gave man dominion over the earth, Genesis 1:26. And all of which guided the meaning of life for us. But the things which provided us meaning in life, especially our fellowship with God, was greatly affected by the fall of man and the curse which came up from our transgressions, Genesis 3. Which resulted us in various amounts of suffering and us not having significant meaning in our existence. Still, after our wrongdoings, God provided a way of restoring the meaning of life. That being that God will destroy the present creation and make a new heaven and new earth, and our fellowship with God will fully be restored as it once was with the redeemed mankind. And the unredeemed will be cast out to the lake of fire. And like in the beginning, the curse of sin will be done away with. There will be no more sin, sorrow, sickness, death, or pain, Revelation 21:4. And God will dwell in a restored relationship with mankind once again. So it all goes through a full circle. God made man to have a relationship with them. Man sinned against God, destroying our relationship with God. God restores the relationship with man in an eternal state. Now, the answer to the question of the meaning of life is found in having a relationship with God, which is possible by accepting the gift of salvation. And that restoration is only possible by God's Son, Jesus Christ, through the guidance of the Holy Spirit, which reconciles our relationship with God, Romans 5:10, Acts 4:12, John 1:12, 14:6. In our next videos, we are going to start a new series on how to live that meaning of life, and the next video being how to become a Christian. We invite you to join us on this journey of living out the meaning of life. Subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and share this video with your friends and family. We also encourage you to comment respectfully and share your thoughts on this profound topic. Stay tuned for our next video, where we delve deeper into ways of living the truth. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to discussing this topic with you.